Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to change Namecheap Nameservers quickly and easily. This process is essential if you want to connect your domain to different web hosting services like Hostinger or another provider. First, log into your Namecheap dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the domain list on the left-hand side and click on it. Find the domain for which you want to change the nameservers. Next to your domain, click on the Manage button. Scroll down until you see the Nameservers section. By default, the nameservers might be set to Namecheap Basic DNS. You have the option to change it to Namecheap Web Hosting DNS or switch to Custom DNS if you need to connect to other services. For example, if you're using Hostinger, enter their specific nameservers in the Custom DNS fields. Typically, you'll need to enter 2 nameservers. After entering the new nameservers, click on the tick icon to confirm. Make sure to enter the information correctly. Finally, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.